going on, y'all? Aggie Eagle Vlogs back again. I'm your host, BA, today, yet again. Just doing a quick wireless wash. Maceo didn't get a chance to wash his car before meeting up with us. The audio here was really windy. We forgot our external mic, so just decided to cut that part just because, again, the noise was pretty excessive. One of the things that we did want to take a little bit of time pre-game was to make sure that our tire pressures were good. And then we also put a little bit of emphasis on our tires, as you're about to see. We actually layered up the different tire setups that we're rolling on our cars. Norm is the only one that has a staggered setup on the BMW, but here is the stats for you. We just got the cameras all set up. We got the GoPros on the dash today. You see the fellas getting ready. Got another dash one here. And over here we got a top mounting one on top of Kratos. Let's get it. All right, so again, y'all, this is Norm's second run with the boys. Y'all see him with Blanco, Griselda, Snow Queen, Cocaine. It's got like 17 different names right now. But anyway, primary is Blanco. So he has named it, but we're about to do a run. This is his first time taking up Norm towards the mountains, and one of the things that we're gonna try to focus on today is just kind of getting him comfortable with some of the mountain runs we do, so we can take him next time we do an Asheville run where, you know, it gets a little hot and heavy. Once again, we're gonna have Norman in the middle, but y'all be able to see more of his driving this time because I'm gonna try to bring up the lead. You see, I told you guys earlier, I put the top mounted mount on top of Kratos today. Both the boys are running dash cams for now, and then we'll run dash cams a little bit later on, but we're gonna make our way up towards Hanging Rock State Park and see what it does. But we about to get it, so let's get it.
Chef kiss on this one. This is wonderful. I'm finna pull off. Come on, Norm. I'm waiting on you. You ready?
Right by you. That hero feels bad.
turn. Ooh. Ooh.
Don't lay on the brake, Norm. There you go. Let yourself go through. Nice shit, Norm. Good shit.
Right.
There you go, Norm.
Ready.
And we ain't even got to the crazy part, Mace. That's the funny part.
Yeah. Nah, I'm scared.
You say you scared?
I'm scared, boy. And the ooh in the
Doing
mouth.
good, Norm.
Ooh, look at that. Look at that, boy. We might want to pull off because we got.
Yeah, you good on the backside. No homo.
There he goes.
There he goes. Swallow through there, Norm. Swallow through there. There you go, Norm. Don't hit the brake. That's it. Ah, look at Norm.
Oh, dang. I ain't using no gear. Thought you could get out here. Stay a little bit. Oh. driving when he
The
turns
name of this game, Norm, is we should not catch you.
So we gonna catch him.
Like hell, Norm.
I'm right there with Brandon.
Oh, he was gonna turn. I like.
Yeah.
See if I can hit it harder this time. Watch out for that wide turn. Yeah, I lost it on that one.
It was over.
Hey, yeah, that's the thing.
Oh, my phone slide.
I saw that car.
No, Norman's further up than I thought, though. No, Norman's further up than I thought, though. Is that Norman? Yeah. Yeah, we just drove the shit out.
Oh, there y'all back. Y'all back. You say what?
Yeah, I see y'all.
Yeah, we know.
Yeah. Which car is this?
That's that gravel.
Yeah. Because I know it's one that's serious. It ain't this.
You good, Norman? Alright y'all, so we just hiked 52 miles at Hanging Rock State Park. Of course that's an exaggeration, but here with the fellas, just checked out the Upper Cascades waterfall. Heading back to the whips now. We're nearing the tail end of our adventure today. Got some good runs in, got some good footage. It's been a good day. Just had lunch at River Rock Cafe in Danbury, North Carolina. This place was phenomenal, great customer service. Food was amazing.